Hey guys, welcome back. I want to show you guys some awesome paracord we have here from a company called Atwood Rope. So we just got on with Atwood. I'm sure you guys have heard their name before. They're really making a name for themselves in the industry. So if you check out a little closer here, we've got a regular paracord right here. This is our standard 550-pound 7-strand. I use the fancy purple and pink and white because, hey, nobody likes that color anyway. We might as well cut it up and use it for a demo. As you can see, we have the 7 strands here. Now what you get, this is called the Parapocalypse cord. This is a 100-foot bundle of the Parapocalypse cord. This is also a typical 7-strand, but they've added 4 more strands in there. So you've got 11 strands in total. What you have here on the outside, you've got the wax jute. Here you have a nano aramid 110-pound strength line. This real small one, I hope you guys can see it. It is a 10-pound monofilament fishing line right here. That little green one almost looks fluorescent. And then we've got a 160-pound rated Dyna X strand right here. So they all have different uses, and it's always a great thing to have multi-use rather than just regular old paracord. Hey, most of us will pull out these inner strands to make some fishing line if we need to. But if you got the Parapocalypse cord, you don't have to do that. You have fishing line in there. You also have a fire starter, and you've got some big time strength, very small diameter strands as well. So that's one of the items we have now from Atwood Rope. All right, so we all carry fire kits with us, or at bare minimum, a Bic lighter. So you can have extensive fire kits like this, but hey, if you drop the kit, you lose the kit, or you burn through the kit. You know, you drop your ferro rod, you drop your Blackbeard fire starter, you drop your wet fire from UST, or if you drop, this is one of my favorite items right here, brand new one for us, the Fatwood Fire Steel. We'll be doing a video on that as well. If you drop all that stuff, hopefully you have something that you can use to light, like a Bic lighter. Once you have this Parapocalypse cord here that has 11 strands rather than 7, I just wanted to demonstrate the jute, the wax jute that's in here. Let's see how easily this lights up. Of course, it's been sitting on duct tape, so we'll see. This should light up pretty easily for us. Let's check it out. No problem at all. Let's see if we can shield from the wind. Look at that. Maybe a 1/4 inch so far is burnt. Looks like we can make a 1/2-hour video out of just this strand. I tell you what, I'm impressed. This burns really well, really well. It's my first time using this stuff. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna be carrying this stuff on me. I love this thing. Look at this, perfect example. Didn't even plan this one. This is basic rubber band right here. A lot of us will take out our paracord and we'll wrap it our own ways. This here with the dispenser, this is called the Ready Rope. So again, this is your standard 550 7-strand cord. What I love about this is it has its own razor blade in here for cutting the cord, a place to pop the cord into once you've cut off what you need, and for sealing those ends up, pop this end off. A little spot in there for your Bic lighter. It does not come with a Bic lighter. Hey, spend $1 or $2. Get a Bic lighter at a gas station. Everyone should have one. It is an awesome tool to use, and they've got a little loop here for your carabiner if you need to hang off your pack, hanging off your belt, whatever. So this is the Ready Rope, and we also have the Ready Rope Elite. Now this is going to be the 50-foot of paracord. Same idea. It's got your razor blade here. It has a little safety clip over it. It's got a little hook for your carabiner or however you want to secure that. And it has a sleeve for your Bic lighter. And here we're going to get into the Tactical Rope Dispenser. So this is a cool little thing. I've actually never even seen this before, so we're going to cut it open and have a look. So this is one of the coolest things they make, and I love this because this is one-hand operated. It's got a nice heavy-duty belt clip on it here, and it is refillable. You can refill this once it's out. It carries your standard 550 cord. It's got a little notch right here where you can secure that cord so it's not hanging loose. Pull it out, blades back here, cut off what you need, and you're good to go. Clip it back in. When you need it next, keeps it nice and tidy. And should you drop your paracord, obviously you see this stuff, it's going to be a bit more difficult to see with some of the camo patterns, your OD greens, you know, your earth tones. That's why a lot of us will carry this stuff that's bright in color, even, you know, this stuff here. We get a box of just random colors of some paracord. So it's nice to take this stuff out so that when you have to clean up your spot when you're done, you're not leaving paracord hanging everywhere. And that stuff, when it looks like this, is tough to see. This with the safety orange on it, if you drop it, very easy to find. So I'm going to demonstrate how easily this tactical rope dispenser works. Full of 550 cord. This is really great for you know, basic bushcraft classes and things like that, where you're tying a lot of knots. So we're going to do a quick knot here, quick slippery knot. Get the little blade here. Got to turn to you. Nice and easy, comes off. And that way, when you're practicing tying your ropes and your knots, your lashings all day long, you have it right at your hip. You really don't have to mess around much. And then you just go on to the next knot. You don't have to be fishing big bundles of paracord out of your pocket. It's right there on your hip. I like this thing.